In this lesson, we will see together French cultural elements, and more precisely, we will see how French people greet. So let's start. First option, if it's in the morning or during the day. And then the second option would be at the end of the day and in the evening. So if it's in the morning or during the day, you will go for bonjour. Remember, on, it's a nasal on. Bonjour. Then if it's at the end of the day or in the evening, you will go for bonsoir. Same thing here, on, nasal on, it goes in your nose. Bonsoir. So remember, morning or during the day, bonjour. And then at the end of the day and in the evening, bonsoir. And the other thing that you need to know, we will make the difference between the colleagues or the persons that you don't really know that well and your friends and family. So if it's with the colleagues, in most of the cases, you will shake hands. You can make a gesture with your head or hand. So this is the way that in most of the cases you will greet your colleagues. For the friends and family, it will be more simple because normally, well, people kiss. So we do this la bise thing. Okay, so remember, for the colleagues, you shake hands or you can make a gesture with your head or hand, and with the friends and family, you will kiss.